Have you ever wondered how your thoughts can shape your reality? This isn't just a philosophical idea, it's a powerful principle known as quantum manifestation. By understanding and harnessing your energy, you can influence the world around you in remarkable ways. In this guide, we'll explore how you can use the principles of quantum manifestation to create the life you desire. We will cover everything from understanding energy and vibration to using visualization and affirmations effectively. Let's dive in and discover how you can harness your energy to shape your reality. Everything in the universe is made up of energy, vibrating at different frequencies. This includes your thoughts, emotions, and even the physical objects around you. When you begin to understand that everything is energy, you can start to see how your own energy influences your life. Your thoughts and feelings emit vibrations that interact with the universe, attracting similar energies back to you. This is why it's so important to be mindful of the energy you are putting out into the world. Your vibration is essentially the frequency of your energy. Positive thoughts and emotions vibrate at a higher frequency, while negative ones vibrate at a lower frequency. By raising your vibration, you can attract more positive experiences into your life. It's like tuning into a radio station. When you match the frequency of what you want, you can receive it more clearly. Quantum manifestation is not just a spiritual concept. It has roots in the science of quantum physics. Quantum physics reveals that at the most fundamental level, everything is energy. Particles of energy can exist in multiple states at once and can be influenced by the observer's consciousness. This means that your thoughts and intentions can influence the energy around you. One of the key principles of quantum physics is that everything is interconnected. This interconnectedness means that your thoughts and actions can have a ripple effect on the universe. By focusing your energy and intention, you can create changes in your reality. This is the essence of quantum manifestation, using your conscious mind to shape the energy around you and bring your desires into reality. Belief is a powerful force that shapes your reality. What you believe about yourself and the world around you can either limit you or empower you. When you believe in your ability to manifest your desires, you align your energy with your goals. Setting clear and powerful intentions is a key step in the manifestation process. An intention is a focused thought or desire that you send out into the universe. When you set an intention, you are directing your energy towards a specific outcome. It's important to be clear and specific about what you want to manifest. Instead of saying, "I want to be happy," set a clear intention like, "I intend to feel joy and contentment in my daily life." This clarity helps to focus your energy and makes it easier for the universe to respond to your desires. Limiting beliefs are those thoughts and ideas that hold you back from achieving your full potential. They are often formed in childhood and can be deeply ingrained in your subconscious mind. These beliefs can create negative patterns in your life, making it difficult to manifest your desires. To identify your limiting beliefs, pay attention to the thoughts that come up when you think about your goals. Do you hear a voice saying, "I can't do this," or "I'm not good enough"? These are your limiting beliefs speaking. Once you have identified them, you can start to release and transform them. One effective way to release limiting beliefs is through affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that counteract your negative beliefs. For example, if you have a belief that you are not worthy of success, you can use an affirmation like, "I am worthy of all the success and abundance that comes my way." Repeating these affirmations regularly can help to reprogram your subconscious mind and replace your limiting beliefs with empowering one. Visualization is a powerful tool for manifestation. It involves creating a mental image of your desired outcome and imagining it as if it has already happened. This process helps to align your energy with your goals and makes it easier for the universe to bring them into reality. To practice visualization, find a quiet place where you can relax and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths and clear your mind. Then, picture your desired outcome in vivid detail. Imagine all the sights, sounds, and feelings associated with achieving your goal. The more detailed and realistic your visualization, the more effective it will be. You can also use visualization in combination with affirmations. As you visualize your desired outcome, repeat your affirmations to reinforce the positive energy. This helps to strengthen your belief and intention, making it easier for you to manifest your desires. Affirmations are powerful statements that help to reprogram your subconscious mind and align your energy with your goals. By repeating affirmations regularly, you can shift your thoughts and beliefs, making it easier to manifest your desires. When creating affirmations, it's important to make them positive, present tense, and specific. For example, instead of saying, "I will be successful," say, "I am successful in all my endeavors." This helps to create a sense of certainty and confidence in your mind. To use affirmations effectively, repeat them daily, preferably in the morning and before bed. You can say them out loud, write them down, or even listen to recordings of them. The key is to be consistent and believe in the words you are saying. Over time, your affirmations will help to shift your reality and bring your desires into manifestation. Emotions play a significant role in your energy and vibration. Negative emotions can create blockages in your energy field, making it difficult to manifest your desires. Emotional healing is the process of releasing these negative emotions and aligning your energy with positive vibrations. There are several techniques for emotional healing, including meditation, journaling, and energy healing practices like Reiki. These techniques help to release negative emotions and restore balance to your energy field. Meditation is particularly effective for emotional healing. By quieting your mind and focusing on your breath, you can release stress and negative emotions. Journaling allows you to express and process your emotions, gaining insight and clarity. Energy healing practices like Reiki help to clear blockages in your energy field, promoting healing and alignment. As you heal emotionally, your energy becomes more aligned with your desires, making it easier to manifest them. Regular emotional healing practices can help to maintain this alignment and support your manifestation efforts. Gratitude is a powerful practice that can significantly enhance your manifestation efforts. When you express gratitude, you align your energy with positive vibrations, attracting more of what you appreciate into your life. To practice gratitude, make it a habit to reflect on the things you are thankful for each day. You can keep a gratitude journal where you write down 3 things you are grateful for every day. This simple practice can shift your focus from what you lack to what you have, creating a positive energy that supports manifestation. Gratitude also helps to open your heart and mind to receive the blessings of the universe. By focusing on the good in your life, you create a magnetic energy that attracts more positive experiences. Regularly practicing gratitude can help to maintain a high vibration, making it easier to manifest your desires. Consistency is key when it comes to manifestation. Creating a daily routine that includes practices like visualization, affirmations, and gratitude can help to maintain your focus and energy. This routine doesn't have to be complicated, it just needs to be consistent. Start your day with a few minutes of visualization. Picture your desired outcomes and feel the emotions associated with them. Follow this with a few minutes of repeating your affirmations, reinforcing your positive beliefs and intentions. Throughout the day, practice mindfulness and stay aware of your thoughts and feelings. Whenever you notice negative thoughts or emotions, Take a moment to pause and shift your focus back to your positive intentions. End your day with a gratitude practice. Reflect on the positive experiences of the day and express your gratitude. This helps to maintain a positive energy as you go to sleep, setting the stage for more positive experiences the next day. By creating and maintaining a manifestation routine, you can keep your energy aligned with your desires, making it easier to manifest them. Manifestation is a journey that requires patience and persistence. There will be challenges along the way, but it's important to stay committed and keep your focus on your goals. One common challenge is doubt. It's natural to have doubts, especially when you don't see immediate results. When doubt arises, remind yourself of the principles of quantum manifestation and trust in the process. Stay focused on your intentions and continue to practice your manifestation techniques. Another challenge is negative influences from others. Surround yourself with supportive and positive people who encourage your manifestation efforts. Avoid those who bring negativity and doubt into your life. Staying consistent is crucial. Even when it feels like nothing is happening, continue with your manifestation routine. Remember that the energy you put out into the universe will eventually come back to you. Stay patient and trust that your desires are on their way to you. In this guide, we have explored the principles of quantum manifestation and how you can harness your energy to shape your reality. By understanding energy and vibration, setting clear intentions, releasing limiting beliefs, and using techniques like visualization and affirmations, you can create the life you desire. Remember, the key to successful manifestation is consistency and belief. Stay committed to your manifestation practices and trust in the process. With time and persistence, you will see the results of your efforts. As you continue on your manifestation journey, consider exploring further learning and growth. There are many resources available, including books, courses, and workshops that can deepen your understanding of quantum manifestation. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery and empowerment. We hope this guide has inspired you to harness your energy and create the reality you desire. Remember, you have the power to shape your reality. Believe in yourself, stay positive, and keep manifesting your dreams.